powerful Windows secret command that reveals installed programs on your PC. Did you know Windows has a hidden command that can instantly display a list of many of the programs installed on your computer? No need to open settings. No need to search through the control panel. With just one command, you can quickly view installed software right from command prompt. Let's check it out. Welcome back. If you love discovering hidden Windows tricks and command prompt commands that make your life easier, you're in the right place. Today's command is simple, powerful, and surprisingly useful. First, open command prompt. Press Windows +R, type CMD, and press Enter. Now type this command. WM product get name. Press Enter. Wait a few moments while Windows scans your system. Soon you'll see a list of software names displayed in the command prompt window. Pretty cool, right? Let's understand what's happening. WMIC stands for Windows Management Instrumentation Command Line. It allows you to retrieve detailed information about your Windows computer using simple commands. The word product tells WMIC to query software products that are registered with Windows Installer. Finally, getName displays only the names of those installed products. This gives you a clean, easy-to-read list without opening multiple windows. This command is especially useful when you want to quickly review software installed on a computer. Check whether a particular application is installed. Audit a computer before troubleshooting. Compare installed software across multiple PCs. Create an inventory of installed programs for documentation. It's a handy command for IT professionals, system administrators, and anyone who enjoys learning Windows tricks. Keep in mind that this command doesn't show every application on your computer. It primarily lists programs installed using Microsoft Windows Installer, MSI. Some applications, such as Microsoft Store apps, portable software, and certain exe installed programs, may not appear in the results. Also, on newer versions of Windows, WMIC is deprecated, meaning Microsoft is gradually replacing it with PowerShell and other modern management tools. Even though it's an older command, it's still a useful trick to know, especially if you're working on older Windows systems or managing multiple computers. If you learned something new today, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more hidden Windows commands, command prompt tutorials, and PC tips, and leave a comment below telling me which Windows command you'd like to learn next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.